To find archived messages on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, once you go to Google Messages app, and if you accidentally archive a message, you still have a couple of seconds to undo this action. So if you still have the option, the next time you accidentally archive a conversation, you can of course tap on undo to revert that, and you can keep the conversation, the whole chat, in the main menu over here. Now, in case you have a conversation archived and you don't have the option to undo it straight away, then you can tap on your Google account, which can be here on the right side or in the upper right corner. And then here we have the archived section. And here you should be able to find everything that you have archived so far. So there we go, this is how it looks like. And of course you can press and hold your finger to select that conversation, and then you can use this arrow that is in a box to unarchive the message, or of course you can just open the conversation and tap on these three dots in the upper right corner, and then you should be able to find the unarchive option in here. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.